I want to talk to you about the value of spiritual imagery for the yogi. The value is that it is a thought form, a visual manifestation of a concept. And the concept is the thing that matters. The mind is a field of energy that shapes itself into what it sees. All right, there's Ganesha. When you look at that image of Ganesha, Ganesha is in your mind at that time. Think of them as ideas in the minds of God, but they're ideas that are living beings. And it says, in the Gita, the gods are my million faces. So if I look at it, that which is symbolized by it, that state of consciousness will just begin to come into my mind. I urge you to experiment with spiritual religious imagery.